Hi, my name is Toby, and I wanted to get on here very quickly and do a quick tutorial about using AI. So raise your hand if you are a teacher of the deaf. Raise your other hand if at one point in your career you have had to retype a text to a lower reading level for a student to be able to understand gen ed content. Yep. I know we've done it. We've spent hours and hours and hours retyping information so that students can have access to it and participate with gen ed content. So I need you to stop, okay? Okay. When we have to spend half of our day justifying why a student even needs a teacher of the deaf and not just a resource teacher, that leaves us with about this much energy to do what we really need to do, which is plan amazing lessons and make content more accessible for kids, okay? I'm going to show you how to do this using AI. You don't have to be young to do this, okay? I'm 49. It is Friday night after 8 o'clock. I am tired, but I'm going to show you how to do this because we have to stop wasting time when we have the technology to support us. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. Let's do this. So, I found this Ancient Civilizations textbook. I don't even know why I have this. My kids are all older, so they must have had this in middle school or high school several years ago, but I found this in the back of a cupboard, and I'm going to use this text. It's probably middle school. Maybe I'm just going to, I'm just going to guess that it's maybe 7th grade, 8th grade level, okay? It's complex text, okay? So imagine you're a middle school teacher, high school teacher, even 5th grade, 4th grade, and your student reads on the 2nd grade level. This is not accessible. They cannot read this independently to then function in class. Okay? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up 3 windows. I've already opened up 3 tabs in my Chrome browser. I'm going to ChatGPT. You do have to sign into ChatGPT, and I'm going to start a new chat. You can see where I did some stuff earlier today. I'm going to start a new chat, fresh. I'm going to open up another tab that is going to be Gemini AI. And I'm giving you these options because your district might have some of these blocked, and so you need to know where else to go, okay? Gemini, you will have to also kind of like sign in, and you'll have to check a box about privacy and stuff like that. Then I'm going to open up a third one, and it's going to be meta.ai. This one, if it's going to be blocked by your district, it might be this one, but I am using my work laptop signed into my Chrome browser using my work email. So if this doesn't work, then that means my district has it blocked, and I'm just going to use a different one, okay? Meta.ai, you do have to sign into your Facebook account to use this, but it does not take you to Facebook. It's their AI version, okay? All right. I'm going to start with ChatGPT. You can see right down here that I can attach a file. I'm going to pretend most textbooks are online now, which makes it easier. You can just take a screenshot, copy, and paste it into this. But I'm going to pretend that you are some rural district and you still have only textbooks, and you need to get this electronic to then manipulate it to make it accessible to your students. So I'm going to take and I'm going to open up the camera on my laptop. I am not even going to use my phone for this, okay? Okay, there's the camera, which is going to block me out now because I might have to pause the video and take this picture. But let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold up the textbook to the camera, and you can see that there are bold words, highlighted words in this text, okay? And I'm going to hold it up to my camera, and I'm going to take a picture of this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, it was a struggle, but I was able to pulled up the textbook with one hand, get it as close to the camera as I could to get some of the bold and highlighted text and snap a picture, okay? Told you we're going old school on this one. Now, so I have not seen the quality of the photo that I just took, okay? So you're going to see if this messes up, you're going to see it with me. So we're going to click on this attached file and we're going to go upload from computer. Okay. Make sure you go to your camera roll, which I guess I'm already in there. Here is the photo that I just took. Okay. You're going to click on that and you're going to click open. Okay. It's loaded. In this message box, I'm going to say convert this to text. Hit enter. Okay. It's now going to type the text. It pulls the text out of that image and makes it text for you. Okay. You can see the reading level. You can see the bold words, trade, network, merchants, exports, imports. Okay. And then what you need to do as the human in this equation is you need to go to the text to make sure that it did not alter the information by like misreading a word in that picture, okay? All right, now, I want this to be on the second grade level, but vocab is important. We don't want to dumb down these bold words because they are responsible to know those words, okay? So I'm going to tell it to level this down to the second grade level, but to keep the following words. And then I'm going to type a couple of the bold words, okay? Here we go. Okay, let's keep trade network, merchants, imports, and exports. Okay, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now it has rewritten it at the second grade level, but it has kept those bold words. And I've already done this once before, but when you go back and check, as the human, you are still the human. You are still in control of all of these changes going on. You need to go in and make sure that it worded it the way you want it to be worded, okay? So what you can do is you can copy and paste this into a Word document and you can further tweak the wording of things however you want. But listen, you are not retyping the whole thing. You're not going to do that anymore. Okay, got it? Okay. All right, so we've got this on the second grade level. Now, our students benefit from visuals, 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 visuals. So we're going to create some visuals, okay? I'm going to pick out that word merchant. Generate an image of merchants. Y'all, it's late. There you go, merchants. Pretty clear. If the picture comes out wonky, so here you have to upgrade if you want to keep doing this, but hold on, let me X out of that. But anyways, just to show you that it can generate images. Okay. On the free version of ChatGPT, you are limited on how many images you can do. If you do not like this image, you simply would do this regenerate, and you can do that as many times as you want, and it will try to learn how you want your images, okay? So now you have a second grade level text. You have just created one image of your key vocabulary words that you can now copy and paste into your own document from here, okay? If you lose that document, you come back over here to where you're what you searched today. Like you can see what I searched today, okay? What I worked on today. Now let's go to Gemini, okay? just because I want to show you. Gemini, upload an image. And I don't know if Gemini will do this. I have not tried this on Gemini with an image before pulling text out. So we're just going to try and see, okay? Let's go to my pictures, camera roll, boom. There's the picture. Convert this to text. Let's see what it does. I don't know if it's going to do it. Oh my goodness. It did it. Okay. It did it. Awesome. Now we're going to say, convert this to a second grade reading level. Again, you are the human. Go back and check this. You might need to adjust the vocabulary, but again, you're tweaking. You're not creating. You're not generating this yourself. You are letting AI do the work, and you get to tweak it as the human, okay? Now let's see if it will generate a picture. There we go. Okay. Those are pretty decent images. I mean, this one might look a little scary. I don't know. But there you go. Okay. One other thing you can do, and I know you can do it with ChatGPT. Say you want to test the child's comprehension. Here we go. Generate 5 multiple choice comprehension questions from the passage above. There you go. Again, check the questions, check the answer choices. You just have to go back and check and make tweaks, okay? Okay, one more thing I'm going to show you is meta.ai. Now, I've never done this on meta.ai, so we are going to try it. Okay, so I had to log in real quick. I didn't want y'all to see my Facebook, even though I'm probably posting this on Facebook, so whatever. I don't know. Anyways, okay. Looks like I cannot upload. So let's see if I do this. Okay, problem solving skills. We're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to go back to the second grade. This first text right here. And I'm going to copy and paste what ChatGPT did. Copy. And I'm going to say convert this to a second grade reading level. And we're going to see what happens. Paste that in there. Oh, that was kind of cool. It did like a little list instead of like a long sentence of text. So you got options, people. You got options. So it's beneficial to try different AIs to see how they generate things, okay? Again, you are the human. Check the facts. Check it. Let's see if it can generate an image. Oh, while I'm typing, it's generating images. Generate an image of merchants. Merchants in a village. Okay, and I'm not really liking these images too much. Merchants in China. Oh, okay, so we got some ethnicity going on. Merchants in the Middle East. Okay, how about merchants at a trading post? I don't know, people, like your imagination, go with it. Okay, I'm not really loving these because it doesn't really show the, it doesn't really show like this as far as like the buying and selling of goods. Okay, And so I don't really like the meta.ai. But anyways, y'all, you got to stop recreating things. We have AI to do this for us. Okay, I love you all. Stop working so hard. Okay, bye. I hope this video helps. Bye.